What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, all right, we are going to be coding a 2020 BMW M340i. We're going to be coding the M display logos in the car. And what that is that this display is going to say M, that display is going to say M on the startup and turn offs of the car. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's get into today's video. And of course, in today's video, we are going to be using the OBD. If this will focus, we're going to be using the OBD, wireless OBD scanner. All right, what this does is that it goes into your OBD port, which is located down below, and this connects the car to your phone. And we're going to be using an app called Beamer Code. And of course, we're going to be using an app called Beamer Code. For those of you who do not know, Beamer Code allows you to unlock all of the hidden features that's in your BMW, Mini Cooper, and also Rolls-Royce, I believe. So this app is going to run you $30 on the App Store and Google Play Store. And this wireless OBD scanner is going to run you $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description so you guys can cop one if you guys want to start coding your car. All right, but let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you guys want to do is you want to take your wireless OBD scanner and plug it into the OBD port, which is located down below. Just want to feel for it out. It's on the left side. Make sure it's angled the right way. Where's it at? Right here. Just want to plug it in and it's going to light up. Let me see if I can get it. Video for you guys of it. Yeah, so it's gonna light up, and then next thing you want to do is you just want to hop into your phone. All right, you're gonna go into your Wi-Fi settings, just right here, Wi-Fi. Make sure it's connected to V-Link. V-Link is the wireless OBD scanner in your car, and then you just want to hop into Beamer Code. All right, next up, once you're in Beamer Code, you just want to press connect. Once you're in Beamer Code, you just want to press connect, and these are all the different cars that you can code in using Beamer Code of this year. All right, so right now we're going to be focusing on the 3 Series. This is the G20 body style 2020 M340i. All right, just wait for it. So right now it's just identifying the control units. It's going to connect the car to the phone, to the app, reading the ECU, the VIN, and all of that jazz. So you just want to wait for this to load up. All right, so once you're in the app, you want to focus on the instrument cluster. All right, that's going to be the first one, and then I think the second one is going to be in the head unit display. But right now we're just going to wait for the instrument cluster to load up. All right, you guys, so once you're in the instrument cluster, you just want to look at display options, instrument cluster, right? And as you can see right now, display options is set to BMW layout. But we're going to change that. We're going to change it to the M layout. All right, so you just want to press that, and then at the top right corner it says code. You press that, it's going to give you an important note. All right, and then you just press start coding. And once you're doing this, the instrument cluster is going to start spazzing out, but it's totally normal. It's going to be it's going to go away soon. All right, so as you can see right now, it is writing the coding data. All right, so as you can see, the instrument cluster went away. Oh shit!
Oh, that is, oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
So
as you can see, this is the M layout, and now the speedometer goes all the way up to 200 miles per hour. Yo!
That is sick, bro.
I didn't think it would do that.
Yo, that is sick. Oh my god.
I thought it would just be a nice like an M logo or something like that, but as you guys could see,
and it runs off to 8,000 now, or was it? I think I'm just bugging.
200 miles per hour, and you know, no, it does. It revs all the way out to 8,000 RPM. Well, not necessarily,
yeah,
I guess.
But it says it. It says it.
Yeah, it says it.
Let's see. Wait.
And look at the horsepower though. That wasn't there before.
It only topped out, I think, at like 3.
At 3 something.
Like
yeah.
Like that. See if it still like responds.
Let me see. All right, so.
Oh yeah, it does. Yes, everything works.
So this is what the M display layout looks like.
That is so tough. Wait, let's see what it looks like in
This
comfort.
is fire.
Let's see comfort. Eco Pro.
So right now we're changing comfort, sport, and eco.
Oh, it doesn't change much. The only
Well, the tack does change, right?
Let's see.
So right now it's on red.
That's sport. This is just casual, comfort, and this is Eco Pro.
Okay, so it doesn't really change much. Just move stuff around, but yo, that is badass.
That is fire.
200 miles per hour on the dash.
I knew I was gonna say it. I had a feeling.
That is badass.
Oh man.
All right, so on to the next one. All right, you guys. So we just finished coding the M display layout for the instrument cluster. Right now, we're gonna focus on this guy right here. So this is a regular sports display. I don't know what is going to change in it, but we're gonna wait and see. So
wait to find out.
Right now, we're gonna head into the head unit. All right. And I do apologize right now. The sun is going down, so if it gets darker in here, that's the reason why. But
actually, this car has like the brightest little light thingies.
Does it?
Remember?
True. If it gets dark, you're gonna turn that on.
Yeah, we're good.
So yeah, just wait for this to load up.
That looks so sick.
Yeah, I still can't believe that it went up. I didn't think it would do that.
I was like, I think it's gonna go to 200. Like, really?
Shit. All right, so now that we are in the head unit, we are going to focus on the startup animation. All right. So right now it's on default, but we're gonna change it to the M. All right. So we're gonna press M right here, press back, and then top right corner, press code, start coding. This is gonna start spazzing out as it goes. And all this does is that it's just gonna give it the startup animation pretty much. It's just gonna say like a nice M logo pretty much, animation. So right now it's writing the code. You just wanna wait for that. Because my camera, I guess the temperature of it got too hot. So we're recording off the 11 Pro Max. But as you guys can see, it's finishing the coding. Focus on that. This is what the startup animation is gonna look like, the M style. Resetting the ECU.
That's fire.
So
something like.
So now pretty much anytime we start up the car, it's gonna give us that nice M performance I saw navigation. It's gonna give us that M style animation popping up on the screen anytime we start up the car. So right now you just want to press OK, press back, disconnect, and then you just want to unplug your OBD scanner located down below. Take it out. Always have a hard time. Shit. Okay, we're gonna leave it in for now. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like because it helps the channel out a lot. And also subscribe to the channel because I am doing my own giveaway. At 1,000 subscribers, you guys can get a chance to win your own wireless OBD scanner. Yeah, you don't have to have a BMW to have this. You guys could make money off of this by posting an ad on Craigslist, telling people you know how to code cars by watching my videos. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.